Hello friends, today I am here with a new topic and the topic is degrees of comparison and it is a part of adjectives. So in this there are three parts in degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So now we will see what are the things that comes in degrees, all the adjectives. Okay, for example, good is, it will come in positive degree, then here it is better and this is best. So as we normally see it in our progress report or any place, that good means normal, then better is, it is better than good, then the last one is best. So good, better, best. So like that there are many things like long, longer, longest. See here good, better, best. These three are different words. But in this one, just here ER and EST is added. So there are like this some various things. So we'll see it. Like for beautiful. It is beautiful. Then for beautiful it is not beautifuler. It is more beautiful. And most beautiful. So like this, like that. Many kinds of adjectives are there, many types of adjectives, and there are many degrees. So just first of all you have to by heart this thing. Then we will see how to change the degrees. That is the most important topic, that is how to change the degrees. Okay, so let's see it. So let us see how to change the degrees. And today I will tell you the easiest way. Yes, the easiest way to change the degrees. So just there are two parts in degrees. First is the best and the second one is one of the best. So this I have made it. Okay. See, in the best means he is the best. Like Narendra Modi is the best Prime Minister till now. So this one we can use. Otherwise we can say Narendra Modi is one of the best. Means there are many best prime ministers in the world. Narendra Modi is just one of them. According to this sentence. And according to this sentence, he is the best prime minister in the world. Are you understanding the difference? The meaning of this is, he is the best, nobody can compete him. And according to this one, there are many other competitors of this person. Like William Shakespeare is the greatest poet in the world, and here William Shakespeare is one of the greatest poet. Means there are many great poets, William Shakespeare is just one of them. Is it clear? So we will see how to change it. See, so this is the example of the best. No other man was as strong as Hercules. The meaning of this sentence is that Hercules is the strongest man. Yes. So we will see how to change it into other degrees. Like I have written this in positive degree. This is positive degree. So now we will change it into comparative degree. So the starting of comparative degree will be, see, so we will change it into comparative degree. So the starting will be with this one. Hercules is, but here it is was, so we have to use was. So Hercules was stronger. Now strong, stronger, strongest. So Hercules was stronger than any other man. Is it clear? Hercules was stronger than any other man. So this you have to remember, stronger, and always remember whenever it is comparative degree, stronger and after that than will come. Yes. And here this is some slight change. It is any other. In comparative degree these things you have to remember. In positive, as strong as is important, and in comparative this is comparative degree. Is it clear? Now we will see the superlative. Comparative and superlative will have the same starting. Hercules was the strongest man over. So Hercules was stronger than any other man. Here Hercules was the strongest man, means there is nobody who can compete with Hercules. This is superlative degree. So we will see this same sentence in one of the best. Now this is the example of the best. Is it clear? So now we will see the same example in one of the best. So it will start with very. Very few men were as strong as Hercules. See now, just there is a change. This is also positive. This is also positive. But here it will start with no other, and this starts with very few. And here men. No other man was as strong as Hercules. Here very few men were as strong as Hercules. The difference is that here nobody can compete Hercules, and here there are many to compete with Hercules. I hope you are understanding the difference. Okay. So now we will see how to change it into comparative degree. Now this starting will be same for comparative and superlative. So it will start with Hercules. Hercules was stronger than most other men. This is comparative degree. See, now the difference. Hercules was stronger, it is same. Than is also same, just here the difference is any other, here it will be most other. Only this is the difference. Is it clear? And here it is singular, but here it will be plural form. Because here most other means many will come. Here any other means only one. Is it clear? So Hercules was stronger than most other men. Means he is not the strongest. There are many. Hercules is just one of them. Now this one, superlative. Hercules was will not come here. Was one of the strongest men. Was one of the strongest men. See, so Hercules was one of the strongest men. So there are many like Hercules. Hercules is just one of them. And see the changes. Hercules was the strongest. Here it is one of the strongest. Only these are the changes. Here just we will see the changes, overall changes. Here no other. Here it is very few. No other man was as strong as Hercules. Very few men were as strong as Hercules. Same. Just here very few. Here no other. No other, so man. Here it will be men. In this one, Hercules was stronger than, that is same. Here it is most other. Here any other. Only these are the changes that you have to remember. Here it is no other. Here it is very few. Here any other. Here it is most other. And in this one, the strongest, and here it is one of the strongest. Only these are the things that you have to note. Here I have written some formulas just to remember. See, this is the formulas for the best, and this is the formula for one of the best. In positive degree, it will be in the best, no other in the starting, and here it will be very few. Just you have to note these all things. These are the most important things with the help of which you will be able to change the degrees. Is it clear? So no other changes into very few. In comparative degree it is any other, and in one of the best it is most other. For superlative degree, in the best it is the longest, and here it is one of the longest. So remember just these things. No other, in this one it is very few, any other, most other, and these are the things. Is it clear? So now we will see these all things. So let's solve two examples so that you will know it in a better way. So now this is, as you are seeing, it is very few means this is one of the best, and this is no other means it is the best. Is it clear? So let us see. So I have written this sentence and it is in positive degree because as large as. So it is in positive degree. We will change it into comparative and superlative. So very few. First of all, how to change it? This is the main thing we are comparing with. What we are comparing here? China with other countries of the world. So China will come in the starting. China is now, it is, see, very few countries in the world are as large as China. So China is larger than most other. Why most other? Because it is very few. This is the example of one of the best. So China is larger than most other countries in the world. As I said, that comparative and superlative will have the same starting. So the starting will be same. That is China. China is one of the largest countries in the world. So this is the example of superlative because it is one of the best and this is larger than. Is it clear? So this is the example of one of the best. So it is one of the largest and here it is larger than most other. These are the things I have underlined that you have to remember. Is it clear? So now we will see this example. Now this is the example of the best. Is it clear? So here we are comparing Sanket with other boys of his class. Is it clear? So the starting will be Sanket. So Sanket is. Now what is the comparative and superlative of intelligent? It is more intelligent and most intelligent. So Sanket is more intelligent. Sanket is more intelligent. Now here we have used most other. So here it is any other. Yes. Any other boy in the class. Sanket is more intelligent than. See, we have missed the word, that is than. So Sanket is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. So don't forget to add this one. That is important. So more intelligent than, because whenever it is comparative, than is compulsory. Is it clear? So now we will see the superlative. Sanket is the most intelligent boy in the class. I hope you are understanding. See, just you have to remember what all changes I have said. So first of all, divide the degrees into two parts. Is it clear? And the two parts are the best and one of the best. The best means in that we are showing that he is only the best, and in one of the best we are showing that there are many like him. So these two are examples. In this we are comparing China with other countries, and in this China is not the largest one, it is one of the largest. But in this sentence we are saying that Sanket is the most intelligent boy of his class. There is nobody like Sanket. Are you understanding the difference? Okay, so now I will give you some exercises, you just solve it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. I hope you have understood the way of my teaching and you have understood how to change the degrees also. So I have given here some examples to solve. This is the exercise. So there are various kinds of sentences that I have given, like here the most faithful and many things. So just see, solve it and just comment me the answers in the comment box. And for further videos, just like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.